Hello, this is Mr. Buffington. As it comes up to Valentine's Day, it makes me start to think a little bit about math, especially when I hear people say things like, "I love you so much. You're 1 in a million." When I think about that, it reminds me a little bit about a fraction. Okay, one in a million, when you say that, you mean you are one person out of 1 million. Or in other words, a fraction of 1 over a million. Now, mathematically speaking, it's not a very nice thing to say to someone. Because let's look at it. There are 6.7 billion people in the world. So if you're saying you're 1 out of a million, what you're technically saying is that you're if you're 1 out of a million, how many are you out of the whole world population? Well, let's cancel out a couple of zeros here. Basically, you're saying that there's 6,700 people on Earth just like you, or who could replace you. What a mean thing to say on Valentine's Day. Let's look at things on a smaller scale, like the population of America. In America, there's about 304 million people. So you're saying inside of America, there's 300 people who are just like you or could replace you. What a mean thing to say on Valentine's Day. So if you're going to try and get into the heart of the person that you love, you need to tell them, not you're 1 in a million, but tell them, darling, you're 1 in 6.7 billion. It's much more romantic. Alright, so take the advice of a nerdy math teacher. And one more thing. If you're going to do something on Valentine's Day, it's very important to make up something special for that special person. So I created a mathematical equation that might help in your situation. I'm sure it'll help for me here. Here's what it is. I'm going to put a heart here with, say, my inside of it, like my love. And I'm going to put an approximately equal to sign. My love is like, or actually, back up, my love for you. My love for you is like, and we want to say something that means like it goes on forever and ever, right? So, of course, the first thing that comes to my mind, we'll say a linear equation where our domain is all real numbers and our slope is not undefined. There. That's a way of telling that special person, here, try and make it so that there's no glare on there, tell that special person in mathematical terms that our love for them is unending. My love for you is like a non-vertical linear equation where the domain is all real numbers. It's very romantic. And while we're at it, speaking of romantic stuff, if you're taking the advice of a math teacher, nerdy math teacher, it's important to create something for them. So I'm going to show you real quick how to make a flower. Oh. Out of an animal balloon. So you take this flower and you combine it together with some other ones maybe you've made, and then you've got a beautiful bouquet of flowers and a mathematical equation. What better way to say I love you on Valentine's Day? Alright, so as Valentine's Day comes up, make sure to tell someone that they're 1 in 6 billion and not 1 in a million. Make up something special for them. Have a happy Valentine's Day and keep looking for math around you. I'll see you next time. Bye.